You've probably been told that renting is throwing money away. It's one of the most repeated pieces of financial advice out there, and it's often completely wrong. Here's the truth. Renting is not always throwing money away. And buying at the wrong time, in the wrong market, or beyond your means can cost far more than renting would have. The real question isn't rent or buy. It's, does buying make financial sense for your specific situation, location, timeline, and financial health right now? The true cost of home ownership goes far beyond the mortgage payment. Add property taxes, insurance, maintenance, typically 1 to 2% of home value annually, and opportunity cost of your down payment. In many high-cost cities, the price-to-rent ratio, the home price divided by annual rent, makes buying significantly more expensive than renting for at least 7 to 10 years. Buying makes strong financial sense when you plan to stay in the same location for at least 5 to 7 years. You have a stable income, your down payment is solid, and the local price-to-rent ratio is favorable. Renting makes strong financial sense when you're mobile, the market is highly overvalued, your credit isn't optimal yet, or investing the down payment would yield higher returns. The biggest mistake people make is buying too soon because of social pressure, not because the numbers make sense. That's not a financial decision. That's an emotional one.
Step 1.
Use the price-to-rent ratio as your first filter.
Step 2.
Divide the home price by annual rent for a comparable home.
Step 3.
If the result is above 20, renting may be the smarter move financially. The best financial decision is the one that fits your actual life, not your neighbor's. Subscribe for more honest analysis that puts your situation first.